Hey everyone, it's me, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, bringing you guys a lookbook video, and this is in partnership with the Concierge Wig-Tique in Duncanville, Texas. And they have the greatest thing ever going on. They have a sale going on, and I will tell you this, it's a little secret, but it's just between me and you and everybody else in YouTube. It's only subscriber based, which means you must be subscribed to this channel and also HeyBeautyDTslays. Make sure you're subscribed to their channel. This is also, there's also a promo code, which I will leave in the bottom or in the sidebar over here. We do ship, and I believe it has to be a certain amount. I don't remember that certain amount, but guess what? It will be located in the description box. So that way you guys can know, and that way you guys can get a wig from us and enjoy it and live your best life. I will be showcasing 3 units from the Vanessa collection. So this whole lookbook is all Vanessa, which means the sale that's going on is all for Vanessa. We have some very cute units. We have some lace wigs. We have some short wigs. Anything that you're looking for, honey, we got it, and come get it. So without further ado, let's get into this lookbook.